The Glow Recipe 12 Days of Glow Advent Calendar for 2024 is available now. The box is $95 and includes 12 glow-giving best-selling products from Glow Recipe worth $175. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Give the gifts that keep on glowing. Discover our 12 favorite fruit-forward, clinically effective products for all skin types behind every door, exclusively at glowrecipe.com. This one-of-a-kind kit brings you a mix of full-size minis and merch surprises for 12 days of glowing skin at a 45% off value. The calendar will include some of my favorites. There's a Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops 15mm, full-size Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist 75mm, Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream 20mm, Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner 25mm, full-size Plum Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm 15mm, Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner 5mm, full-size Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops 30mm, Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser 15mm, Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops 5mm, Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer 10mm, Watermelon Hair Clips, and a Depuffing Eye Roller. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.